fascinating evolution of dogs. Dogs, descendants of wolves, have evolved through selective breeding into the diverse breeds we know today. Domesticated 15,000 years ago, dogs share a common ancestor with wolves. Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell, tens of thousands of times more sensitive than humans. With a range of hearing 4 times greater than ours, dogs can detect sounds we can't. Known as man's best friend, dogs form strong bonds with their human owners. Dogs use vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions to convey emotions and intentions. From their wolf ancestors to their loyal companionship, dogs continue to fascinate and amaze us.